Hello everybody, we're live on YouTube. I better go put it on Discord. We are live on YouTube. Yes, let's check YouTube. Are we live? We are starting. We're live. We are now officially live. Yay, fun times. So, welcome back to another live stream. It's been over a year since the last one, I think. Maybe. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to actually be working on my API. So my API is the CJ Core API. None of you, or hardly any of you, will know about it because it's not been released. And the reason why it's not been released is because it's not finished, so it sort of makes sense. So today I'm hopefully going to be working on the API today. Hopefully it's going to be good. Oh, people are saying hi. Let's better say hi. So, let's get started working on the API. So, to start off with, I'm going to start commenting, but I'll show you what I've done so far. So, the way my API is going to be working is in the energy utils we have loads of different methods which you can use for utility methods. And yeah, so what we have is we have energy support. So if we take a look at the energy support class, we can see that we've got some comments already made by me, which has how get the energy stored, get the capacity, give energy, take energy, can receive, can extract, get container, has support, and the default energy unit. And people are telling me to switch over to IntelliJ. Sorry, I don't have IntelliJ installed, and quite frankly, I love Eclipse. So yeah, so hi to everyone in chat who's actually joined, which is great. So let's crack on. So I'll show you the support that I've got. So COFH support. The COFH API was recently updated on GitHub, so I got the new version. And here's our support for that API. So it's quite simple to understand. We just say what represents the actual, I don't know how to explain it, what holds the energy. So if you look in the API over here, we've got iEnergy handler, which is the holder support. The reason why there's multiple different supports is for different ones, because you might have an iEnergy provider but not a container. Oh gosh, Aaron's on. That's awkward. So yeah, that's Solid Studios. So then my mate, it's okay. So iEnergy support will have all of our energy support. So we also have Tesla on here as well. So if you go down to reference libraries, Tesla is here. We have Tesla installed, which is brilliant. Wow. Sorry, I'm just laughing at the chat. So we got Tesla. This is the support for Tesla. Quite simple. And the default energy unit for Tesla, well, is Tesla. So here's our energy units class, which just has our energy units defaultly set up. And we're going to be using this today when we add our energy bar, which is here. So here is the energy bar. It's commented out because I've done a rewrite of everything and lots of things have changed. So yeah. So the reason why I have got all the different energy supports, we've even got Forge Energy as well, which some of you may know about, is because I want to make it better for you guys and for me, so that we can easily just get energy sorted, simple, without mucking about working on integration with other mods. So after about 5 minutes of me talking, let's get started on commenting. So commenting isn't the most fun thing to do, but let's do it anyway. So here is our list of energy units, and register an energy unit. And we're just going to have the name of the unit. And I think yes, it uses a formatted name. So you need to set the formatted name in your language file found at and then it's energy.unit dot the name dot name, and we've got to do the same for the suffix and the suffix, which is energy.unit.name.suffix, like so. Control Shift F is what I'm going to do. Hello iBasky animations. The multiplier to convert from energy base to let's reference energy base, so energy base to Jasper Smith. He wanted me to say his name, okay. Energy base to your unit. Okay, the colour of the GUI, the colour of the energy bar for the unit. So the reason why we have a colour is if I go over to my resources and on my textures, where it is, there it is. Let's load it up. So I'm currently working on texture. This was my old one, working on a new one. I don't like it, so I'll be working on that as well. Go away, that. Oh, Jasper Smith is King Jasper. I did not realise. Wow. So that's our method for creating an energy unit, and this wouldn't be used much. But this is returns the list of registered energy units. Like so. And this should not be called outside of, and then just link to the CJ Core class. Wow, I cannot guess who Dogatron is at all. Cannot guess. Maybe it's Dogatron from Discord. Maybe. And let's get rid of that. So this class is a utility class. So utility class for energy. That's quite simple. And we have our lists of support. And yeah, just leave it like that. Pre-init should not be called outside of the CJ Core. So basically it's me only who should be using this method, because in CJ Core it is called here. I've actually got to call it energy utils. There we go. Dot pre-init. There we go. Yes, there will be a tutorial on Fluid's iBasky animations, if I can say that correctly. There's going to be a tutorial on that when I get around to doing a tutorial on that. I am working on something at the moment which I'm struggling with, but hopefully I'll finish that off, because I've posted on the forums about it because I was really struggling, but hopefully I can fix it up. Oh gosh, what's Aaron writing now? Someone's doing ASM, worst idea ever. I mean, ASM's amazing, but absolutely horrible to work with. This one adds support for an energy holder. And wow, Aaron just worked out who Dogatron is. Wow. If you don't know what ASM is basically you can edit the source code. So I do actually have ASM set up over here, but it doesn't work. So I'm not gonna have a go. And yes, Dogatron, the canvas drop color is winding me up a lot. So ASM, this is an example of ASM, but I don't want to do it because it won't work. And it'll cause a game crash at the moment. So better close that ASM package before I have to get irritated by ASM. Because I can't stand it. I mean, it's great, but it's really powerful, but it's a pain in the ass to use. I'm not that great at talking just without explaining, which is really irritating. Add support for an energy consumer. And here is the support you are registering. Oh, it looks beautiful already. Did I Control Shift F on here? No, I didn't. Okay. Anti-cacti. I think I've seen you sent me. I swear you've put a link to your GitHub. I think. And yes, I do know I can rename MDK example. I just can't be asked. That's quite simple. Energy producer. Now you will note that if it already contains it, it will actually put a warning in chat saying repeat support. So it makes sure that no one actually, well, it won't add it basically. And if you're gonna think about asking me to do a ASM tutorial, that's more than likely not gonna happen because I just hate it. It might happen, but it'll take years. So convert one energy unit to another energy unit. The unit the energy is in, the unit the energy wants to be in, the actual energy, the converted energy. Control Shift F, and that looks beautiful now. The energy support, yay. Simple getter here gets the correct energy support if it's available, which is great. Oh, hello Zoom, original name you got there. Return get the energy support correct from the tile entity. The tile entity which holds energy. The side of the tile entity for use with at link capabilities. The energy support for the tile entity. There we go. Hopefully once I've got the commenting done we can actually work on something quite useful. Get the energy stored from the given tile entity. Oh, I need to actually put a link to tile entity. At link tile entity. So this is what I do in between episodes, or whatever you call the tutorials, when I actually put the stuff on GitHub, I actually go through and make sure it's commented out for you guys. Like so, tile entity here, at link. Well, I can do at tile entity, that'll be quicker. Like so. Well, the tile entity which holds. Oh no, my TV's gonna turn off. Better not do that. TV, no. Good boy. Good boy. Which holds the energy. The side of the. Oh, I need to put a tile entity link up there. Great, I might as well copy and paste this. Like so. The side of the tile entity for use with capability. Like so. I might as well copy and paste this because this is going to be used more than once. The amount of energy stored in the tile entity. Wow, I've got 6 wooers. Is that wooers? I think that's wooers. Well done. Congrats on spelling. Got 6 viewers. Wow, that is a new record. Now 8. Jeez. Okay, maybe 9. Nice sound, sweet. Get the capacity from the given tile entity. You gotta love commenting. Best thing ever. Actually, if I just copy it from here, that'd be better. Return the maximum amount of energy in the tile entity, like so. Give energy, yay! Give energy to the given tile entity. The tile entity which will receive energy. The energy must actually be in energy base, I believe. Support.giveEnergy convert from, yeah. The energy in the energy unit energy base. Someone keeps getting, oh wow. Unit. Like so. Whether or not it is a simulation. If so, no energy is actually given. Boom. And return the amount of energy which was given or would have been given Wow, I'm on a record of 10 viewers. Wow, quality. How do I do that thing you said for me to do? I cannot remember. Flying Cakey, if you can just message or put on what it is, I'll see what I can do. The amount of energy which was given or would have been given if it is simulated. I probably cannot spell simulated. Simulated. There we go. Boom. I love just doing that. It is amazing. Someone keeps dying. Please don't die. That's sad. Dying is sad. Take energy from the given tile entity. Dogtron now going to take all your energy. Look at you. the tile entity which will have energy extracted from. You've been emailed me. Okay. Okay, it's Cakey, the armor recipes. Okay, armor recipes. I'll quickly do this for you. Use IntelliJ to help you spell stuff. I don't think that's gonna happen, just saying. I'll quickly show you Flying Cakey. I'll just load up my Eclipse for that. Sorry guys, if you hate Eclipse. I love Eclipse, so suck on that. Oh, 9 billion, what? I'm really confused what's going on in chat now. The energy to be taken, I'm going to put to be given. Where's my bit of everything? Oh, there's a bit of everything, that's great. Extracted, and we should take in the energy unit. Energy base unit. Oh, dick. You're coming back. There we go. What is an API? DDDD. An API is basically code which other people can access easily, and it helps stuff. So basically, Forge is an API. So Tesla's an API, Forge is an API because we can use it. Okay. Oh no, my screen wants to turn off. Great. Whether or not it is a simulation. If so, no energy is actually... Is that how you spell actually? Actually taken. Caps lock, yay. Boom. Beautiful. Okay, let's go. It's Cakey. That's going to be really irritating. Yeah, let's just do it like this. You said about the recipe. Is that right? Where's the recipe? Just bring it out. Where's the recipe? Oh, that's handlers. Recipe handler. So you said that your recipe for the armor wasn't working. If you want to just try, you said I could add the normal recipes. Okay, explaining how to add normal recipes. So up here we go. Let's go on the first recipe here. I'll go explain how we craft our soul stealer, and hopefully you can use this. So first of all, when you use add recipe, you say the item stack which you're going to get from it. So this was the soul stealer. And then we move over to the actual recipe over here. So what we do is, if it's in a crafting table, we have 3 sets of strings which represent the crafting table. So each letter represents a specific item. And over here we say that the letter S represents a stick, and the letter A represents a string, and a letter D represents a diamond. So when you put a space, so you're saying it's exactly the same as mine. Forge mod source, yes, this source should work for 1.8. Might have been a few tweaks, but I think I've got my 1.8 on GitHub if you need it. It's Flying Cakey, that's it. If you just, I'm really unsure about how to help you, but if you just try create a recipe how, like here, so for the tools, I'll show you down here. Not tools, the armor. The armor was literally just the 3 ingots on the top and 1 ingot to the side, space for the gap, and 1 ingot there, and we just said that I meant ingot. If you want to recreate that, that should help you, I think. If you need help, just email me back or something like that. I don't know whether I check my email. The Forge source for 1.11 isn't the same as 1.8, and this API is currently only 1.11, but hopefully once it's finished I'm going to downgrade it to 1.10 and hopefully maybe 1.8. I'm not sure whether to go down to 1.8 though. Checks whether the tile and can I ask something very far away from what we're doing here? Yes you can. iBasky animation. High and loco. That's exactly what you did, Flying Keiki. Flying Keiki, try the Forge forum, see what they've got on there about it. It might be a Forge bug. I doubt it, but try it there. Checks whether the tile entity can receive energy. Okay, Flying Keiki, I'll email you my Skype. Just email me to remind me, because I'll forget. The tile entity to test. Decide, yay. So glad I copied that earlier. Saves me so much time. Return whether the tile entity can receive energy. Updated tutorial on the crafting recipes, Flying Keiki. Oh, okay. iBasky animations. You want something like that? That more than likely might be an MBT animation. If you want to look up that, maybe. So you got a wand with rocks flying around it. Yes, you can do that with models, but it might take a while. A long while. Checks. The stream is 21 seconds delayed. Great. Can have energy extracted. No, update the whole thing. Update the whole of the... Yeah. The MT animation caused me crashes. Have a look at Minecraft by example, iBasky animations. Because that's got an example that should work because it says final on it. So take a look there. That will more than likely have the answer because it's basically pretty much everything you need to know Forge, but in source code. Return whether the tile entity and loco 123. The API is about energy. Oh, he wants me to update all as a 1.8.9. That's gonna happen eventually. Because currently I want to work on entities, but entities are entities and a pain. With the tile entity can have energy extracted. Oh jeez, so much writing. Okay, there we go. That's all of the commenting I believe I needed to do. So I'm gonna crack on with the energy bar. So I don't know whether to delete this one or not. I'm just gonna call it energy bar 2, so I've always got a copy of it. Because I know this energy bar does actually work. Oh, he's got the package. I don't need a package. Okay, let's go add an energy bar, which, well, you can guess what an energy bar is. It's something that goes in your GUI. So energy bar, boom, Shazam, extends GUI button, like so. and I'm just going to put that side so I can see. Add constructor. Okay, so what we need to do is, I'm going to do the constructor in a second. I'm going to get the texture, so public resource location texture, and defaultly the texture is going to be new resource location and CJ core dot and mod ID, and then the texture is GUI slash energy underscore bar. Like so on the end, I think we need, there we go. Okay, that's the texture, and all we store in here is a private long for the energy that we've got in here, and a private long for the capacity. So, if we create the constructor, is it int that one? I'll move that under like so, and we don't have the button ID. Yes, we do need the button ID. The XY we need, and the button text is just quotes because we're not going to have any button text because it's a texture. The reason why it is actually a button is because we are actually able to click it. The idea is you click it to change it to the energy unit that you want. So what we need to do is set up the default code for this. So let's go make our texture over here. So I'll just move this out a little bit, like so. Can I? Yeah, let's move it like that. There you go. And Jaspersmith, that code doesn't look weird, to be honest. I have used something similar before. Let's go completely redesign this, like so. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's the height of the energy bar. So inside here we need a greyish colour. I've got a speaker in the way, that's great. I need a greyish colour, which is the backdrop. I believe most tech mods use a gradient colour, like so. Reverse text server. What is the reverse text server? I have never heard of it. Anti-aliasing. Okay. It would be the other way around, wouldn't it? Would it? I don't know. It's supposed to go in. It's fade in. Can you make? I can make you a texture if you want. I'm okay at the moment. If you have a go at making one now and it's better than mine, then I'll probably use it. But I'm okay. You need that, and then can I invert colors? So, okay, yeah, that's exactly what I want. It's a modpack server I own with a friend. Yes, this is Paint.net. Maybe Jaspersmith. Just message me on Curse, like private message me or something. Hue saturation. Make it brighter. Saturation won't do jack. Restech server is a server that, oh, King Jasper owns it. Oh, I did not realise that. How do I send you one? If you just put a link to, I don't know, if you got it on just like screenshot thingy, you know, the website's Imager, that's it. You could use Imager maybe. And I'll take a look at that. That's not quite how I wanted it. This needs to be darker. Let's get the curves. Yeah, you can send the link on Discord actually, that might be better. The luminosity needs to be darker, but bring it out like that. I need to soften the middle. Lower that. Soften this. So, effects, tools, smudge. Here we go. Let's go smudge this up. How high should it be? Can it be... Hold on, I'll see if I can bring up. The height should be 84 and it's 17 wide. Creatos. And if we go bring up the smudge tool, this is a plugin that I got for these tools, for some of them, because Paint.net didn't have everything in, and this is quite useful, to be honest, to have. So smudge it in. That's not exactly how I planned on smudging it, but whatever. Soft brush. Okay, we've only got one brush. Add a bit more jitter. Let's try this. Look at your work now. I think Paint.net is better for textures than GIMP. I've never touched GIMP, so I can't really judge what GIMP's like. So I'm not that sure what GIMP is like. But the reason I like Paint.net is because it's completely customizable. Like, there are so many add-ons out for it. It is unreal. Effects. That's advanced. Blurs. Gaussian. No, that's not. That's definitely not what I wanted. Blurs, motion. Centered. No, I don't want a motion blur. Just want to soften it. Blurs, pixelate. Well, actually, no, cell widths are too big. So high. Yeah, just leave that. Not pixelate. Which effect is it? On Photoshop, you don't need add-ons. Yes, I do agree. Photoshop, you don't need add-ons. Reset the radius. Photoshop's great, but you have to pay for it. So, yeah, that's the only reason I don't have it. It's because you have to pay for it, and you have to pay for it monthly. Okay, let's just get the select tool on this. I don't know whether that's good enough. Let me know if you think that's good enough, because I'm not that happy about it. Height. Okay, I don't even think I'm going to try and pronounce that one. If I'll go into curves, reset luminosity. Luminosity is fine. We don't need to RGB curve it. Alpha, new, advanced, in, not red. No, it's not hue. Luminosity. Yo, I just tried how you said, and it didn't work, and it still crashes. This is good, but it's harder than other. Yeah. Okay, the luminosity is high, so if I increase that, then I bring it back down. Oh, it's Italian. Okay, let's try and pronounce this. Giovanni Vittorio Ambrosini. Oh, that's actually alright. Oh, that's nice. I actually think I might like that. It's not just a plain grey background, but it's got to be a depth. But I think it needs a bit more noise. Just a bit more noise. Are you using Forge Energy API or COFH? Because COFH isn't COFH only thing to maintain compat? Yes, I'm using COFH, Forge Energy, and Tesla. A nice mix there. The reason why I am using all three is so that mods that specifically use COFH, specifically use Forge Energy, or specifically use Tesla, they should all work with the mod that you would use it. Where's adjustments? I think going into luminosity. Oh, I've got 13 viewers. Oh yeah. Okay, it was a bit of noise, didn't I say? Okay, bring that up a little bit, maybe a little bit more. Yeah, that's it. You want your texture to be more Minecraft styled. I don't know, because I want to try and make it more like a energy bar, like the one from other mods, but I want it to be my own as well. I'm not too sure. I think I need to smudge it out or liquefy maybe. Let's try a liquefy. I don't know how well this is going to work. Liquefy, decrease it to about 5. Okay, liquefy should soften it, I believe. Oh, we've got 14 peeps watching. Sick, that is amazing. Okay, increase the pressure a little bit. Will you be able to use your API, or is it for your own mods? My API will be going for full release, hopefully. And yes, I know it's cake, it's not working. Honestly, I don't have a clue at why it's not working for you, these recipes. Because, like, I can't understand it. It doesn't make sense to me why it's not working. Oh, jeez. 16 viewers. Woucher. Oh, can I say Woucher? Is that advertising? Okay, I'm not going to say Woucher. Okay, let's reduce the noise. Radius. I think that's better. You on Discord right now? I could be on Discord, but I can't multitask. Okay. If I reduce noise again, no, that's too much. That's too much. Okay, noise. Add a bit of noise. Okay, that's a bit too much noise. Decrease the color saturation. Lower the coverage. A lot. Less intense. You've got that massive. Oh, jeez, we're on 18. You've got that massive bulge bit in the middle, and I want to spread it out a little bit. I don't know what it is. I just want to spread it out. What's grid wrap? I don't want to do grid wrap. Oh, what is it? Okay, can I use an artistic? Let's see. 17. Okay, that is not beautiful at all. No way. Artistic. Oil painting. No. Okay. It's just that line in the middle is way too obvious. Could you show a picture of how you would like it? How I would like it. Okay, let's go on. Let's try and find it. What is it? Well, what I can do, I'll show you it here. Where is it? It'll be on my curse. Because I'll show you the Actually Editions one. I really like the way the Actually Editions looks. And I want it similar to that. I need to go to my downloads, don't I? No, I don't. Actually Editions, here we go. Open with WinRAR. I better bring up, excuse me. That goes, nope. Okay, here's how assets, Actually Editions, textures, GUI, and its GUI inventory. It is, where's GUI inventory? GUI inventory, here we go. So this is the way the Actually Editions does it, and I really like this texture. I think it's a really good texture, but I really want to have, it's like similar to that. If I bring it up like that, there we go. Similar to that, but I don't want to copy it, so it's got the little white streak, so maybe I actually need to invert it. Adjustments, invert colors. Okay, that actually doesn't look too bad. That just needs to broaden out a bit. So could a Gaussian do that? Surface blur. Okay, surface blur that. Oh, okay, that you can tell, that you can distinctly tell that that's blurred. Here we go. Effects, repeat surface blur. That's better. Repeat surface blur. Okay, that's too much blur. Too much blur. We cannot have too much blur. Is that alright? Do you think that's alright? What do you guys think? Do you think that's okay? Draw at the middle, white line, and then smooth that. Yes, that might be a good idea. Let's draw a white line, like so. And can I move you? I did not mean to do it like that. Is it just? It might be just a single pixel. Or would it be two? That looks about right. Okay. Okay, maybe not. It needs to be one thinner. Does it? Yes. No. Is that the middle? No, I don't think it is. I think that is. Client device not closed. 64-bit warning. CMS is deprecated. Try updating Forge. It's cakey. That might fix it. Smudge. Yeah, let's smudge. Was it smudge? No, liquefy does it better. Tools liquefy. Okay. If we liquefy this in, need more pressure and high density. That doesn't look great. No, that's not happening. I think I might leave it at that for that bit. Okay. So we have that bit. Do I need to add bars? So I've got bars in this one. I don't know whether I need to add bars. Okay. So I think that might be all I need for the texture. Let's have a look. Let's go back over to, is it this one? Yes, it is this one. Okay, what is the dimensions of this? Ooh, Dogotron's excited for Season 5 Hermitcraft. I'm actually... Oh crap, that was a bad voice crack. Yes, I am looking forward to Season 5. That's 84 by 17. So... this dot width equals 84. This dot height equals 17. It's the other way around, isn't it? 17, 84. Okay, that's good. And this dot energy should be, well, we need to get the actual handler. The actual handler for, so what would it be? We need to get the energy in. So would we have we wouldn't put in the energy support, we just put in the energy. Yeah. Okay. Let's get the energy and the capacity. 6-second stream delay. Okay, that's not that bad actually. Okay, energy capacity. So this dot energy, that's enabled. Energy equals energy. This dot capacity equals capacity. I reckon people are messaging on Discord because it's streamer mode, isn't it? Or maybe not, I just don't hear. Jasper, both of my names. Lol. Okay. Let's just leave that there. We're going to leave it like that. That's fine. And I'm also going to add one which has the ability to change the texture. So, the XY, long capacity, resource location, texture, int width, int height, like so. This dot texture equals texture. This dot width equals width. Width. Let's spell that correctly. This dot height equals height. Why is text true? Wow, I can spell. Texture. Like so. Okay. That's all of them that we need, I believe. Yes. that is. Okay, now we need to override the draw button. And what we're going to do is we're not going to do the super. So we're going to bind the texture. So get texture manager dot bind texture to our texture. We're going to color it white. So gl state manager dot color and white. Oh no, Anoko's on 3% battery. I'm on floor Discord now. Flower. That says flower. You're saying. I don't know where it's updating because it's in streamer mode. Okay, this dot hovered. So I need to do the hovered thing, I think. This is what I got from the button. So this dot x position and mouse y is greater than or equal to this dot y position and mouse x is less than or equal to this dot x position add this dot width. Is that correct? It's just less than, not less than or equal to. And finally this dot mouse, no, it's just mouse y is less than this dot y position add this dot height, like so. Control Shift F, that'll make that look better. I'll send you a texture from Discord. Okay, Discord. Hello. That actually looks really nice. Here we go, let's take a look. Copy image. Let's do a comparison. How big is this image? Let's get it on a new one. So that's 60. Whoa, that is actually really nice. That is actually really nice. Thank you, Emotion or Emotion Fox, whichever. That is really detailed. What I'll do is I'm going to paste it onto this, and I'm going to lower resolution it. So that's going to be mega. Wow. It's a bit. Okay, that looks really nice. If I stretch that out to that size, one more. That looks nice. That looks really nice. Thank you, Emotion. That looks amazing. I'm just gonna put that to the side. Now here we go. I need your guys' opinion on this one. I personally think if this is just a tad bit lighter, it will be beautiful. Just a tad bit lighter. That was a bit too light. A tad bit lighter. Guys, do you think it looks better with a tad bit lighter? I need your opinion on this one. Tad bit lighter. Here you go, I'm waiting for that 20-second delay. Tad bit lighter. I think it looks nice. The right one is better. Yes, I do agree. Okay, I'm just going to put it a bit lighter so it fits in. Here we go. All that time gone. Oh, that looks so nice. Sorry, that is an amazing texture. Thank you so much for that. Okay. Is it this one? Yes, it is. Let's just go over to, because he's contributed, he can actually go on credits. Thank you. The original one from Emotion. Okay, this is a debate now. Should we leave it like this, the darker one? Should we have it like this, the lighter one? Or should we have it like this, the other one? Okay. Option 1 for this one. Option 2 for this one. Option 3 for this one. Okay. I'll wait for you guys to answer. Thank you to Emotion Fox for the amazing energy bar texture. Energy bar texture. Option 3. Okay. We have an option 3. The darker one. So that's the third one. We've had 2 people for the darker one. Okay. The lighter one. So that's option 2, Dogotron. Okay. I don't know. I really don't know. I like all of them. I like all of them. Oh, jeez. This is annoying. Okay, how many people are we on? At 11. Okay, we've got 11 people watching. So if all 11 can decide which one is going to be the winner. Okay. Is it 1 for this one here? I'll just select it. This one here. Is it 2 for this one? Or is it 3 for this one? Just to know, on 3, we will have to scale it down as the textures for GUI can only be 256 by 256. So, I need a reply. Need your reply. The lighter one. We've got a lighter one. Straw poll. Okay, straw poll. Straw poll. How did it? Strawpoll.me. Okay, do I have a straw poll? I don't know if I have a. I don't think. Let's just create a poll. Okay. Texture. Like mine. Light emotion fox. Dark emotion fox. Create poll. Go. Okay, guys, I'm just going to put this messages out. Can you have a look here? That's a straw poll. If you can see how many people will vote. Okay, can you vote on a straw poll? The question is, what are they being used in for? Time monkeys are used for the texture for the energy bar. So how do I see? How do I see people who've done it? How do I see? Can we go on results? Okay, so far we've got 75. Oh, okay, it's changing. Okay. I'm going to give it a couple more minutes to see what this is. Okay. We've got 5. Well, love to know everybody loves mine. Oh well. I don't really care. Okay. So far, Light Motion Fox is winning. I will bring up the textures for you so you can see your options right now. There's no point me really doing mine. You get light, dark, or this one. Okay, let's see. There's currently no competition with mine. Might as well cover it up. Okay, if you voted, make sure to put it in the chat that you voted. Okay, and Flying Cakey, you're in the main chat. Yeah, I don't see it. It's okay, Flying Cake. It's probably because I'm on Steam. If it's an energy bar, could use a lighter one when it has some sort of power, and a darker one when it runs out. We could do Time Monkey, but I'll show you what will happen with it. Okay, so we've got the energy bar. Let's just say we'll use mine because we're not going to get that, obviously. What basically happens is we're going to colour it using the GL State Manager colour. So if it's, say, red, it will make it, for RF, it will make it a red tint. So I'll try and make a red tint. Something like, it'll make it like that. So we can actually choose a colour specifically. So that's how it's going to work. Okay. So we've got 2 people I know have voted. Talking about energy, voted. Okay. We have total of 12 votes. Is everybody okay, happy for the final decision? Is everybody happy? Let me know if you're happy about it. Okay. currently, Light Emotion Fox is winning. We decided. We ready? We ready? Happy? Okay. Guys, I'm going to go with your final decision now. Light Emotion Fox got that. So, sorry if you've just voted. You're not going to be counted. Okay, so Light Emotion Fox it is. So the light one, so it was actually the one I suggested. Oh well. I'm not happy, but okay, I guess. Yeah. Okay, I need to go forward. Control Z. Okay, people are happy. Well, some people are happy. I'm sorry, Fire. Sorry, Fire. Is that what I say? Well, you had a chance. I don't know what to say. Unlucky for those who voted one for mine, because I don't know why you want to vote for me anyway. The dark one. To be honest, Emotion Fox did an amazing job with that, so thank you to him, or whoever Emotion Fox is. Is he a boy or a girl? Oh well. Thank you. He's now actually got part of the credit. There we go. Happy. Let's get back onto the energy bar. So we've set where it's hovered or not. We might as well do that at the start actually. That might be a bit more sensible. Okay, so we're going to make sure it's the normal colour. And we're going to draw a textured rect. So draw textured modal. I don't know why it's modal. Rect. Let's go. The X and the Y, well, that should be quite easy. That's just X position, Y position. The texture X and Y is 0, 0. And then the mouse, not the mouse X, 0, 0. Then it's the width and the height of it. So width and then the height. Like so. That should draw that one out correctly. For guys who don't like it, there's always resource packs. Yes, there is always resource packs. That is a good comment, Dogotron. And then what we're going to do is we need to get the colour. So interarray colour equals, and then it's the config file default energy unit dot get colour. Like so. And here, where are we? Geostate manager. We're now going to colour it, so we're going to get the coloured bar on. So it's going to be colour 0, which is the red, colour 1, which is the green, and colour 2, which is the blue. And then we're going to draw the textured model rect. So this dot draw we need to bind texture, don't we? Before we do that. So that's the first one drawn. Bind the texture. So mc.getTextureManager.bind texture to the texture. And then we've got textures. Then we need to draw it. So draw textured model rect. Model rect. But one again, and it is expedition plus 1. Okay, expedition plus 1. So it's 1 over Y position plus 1, 1 further down. Texture is just 1. How did I start coding and where did I learn it? I learned coding from... Well, at first I just looked up tutorials on modding because I really just thought it was interesting to look at. And from looking at that, I was like, this is actually really cool. I want to do this more, and just fell in love with it straight away. Where is it? Hold on. No, it's not width, it's just 1, 1. Yeah. 1, 1. Then it's the width and height. But it's the width minus 2. And the height minus 2. Because the pixels on the side. Okay, that's the 1 done, and then we need to reset the color again. So I'm first going to bind the texture again, because every time we draw we have to bind the texture. Then geostate manager dot color. I need to bind it to the white color again, like so, and then we need to this dot draw textured. Yeah, is MJ, what's MJ? And Loco, what's MJ? It should be expedition +1, xpos +1, ypos +1. And the aim of this API, it will, well, most mods use COFH by default. Any specific tutorial you watch, I see your code similar to another YouTuber. The initial person that got me into modding was Mr. Crayfish. Mega Jules, yeah. Mega Jules, it does work with, well, Jules is from Mechanism, isn't it, Dogatron? Minecraft Jules, that's it. Minecraft Jules. What mod uses Minecraft Jules? Is it Buildcraft? Is it Buildcraft that uses Minecraft Jules? I feel like it's Buildcraft. It's the width -2. It's the width -2, and then that's just the height -2 as well. So it's the same size as the other one. Oh no, that's the position. That's the position on the screen. Then it's the texture position. So that's 1, 1. It's Buildcraft. I'll have to have a look at Buildcraft. Is Buildcraft for 1.10 or 1.11 yet? It's not sleepy. Its size is width. Buildcraft and applied logistics. Okay. What I'll do is I'll have to look at those mods and see whether I can get, like, if there's an API or there's like methods that I can use to integrate it with that, and hopefully it will work. Leon G, do I play mod packs? Yes, I do play mod packs, but I don't want to put too much about that because that's something that's coming up, and you guys, well, yeah, you can look forward to that. Buildcraft is only for 1.11. Okay, that means I will be able to look at it then. They refuse to release it for 1.10. Okay, that's cool. Okay. This dot capacity not equal to 0. Where is it? And this dot energy is not equal to 0. I wonder why they refuse to release it for 1.11. Oh, people like mod packs. I like mod packs too. You always want to try and make your own mod pack, and then you just go crazy with adding stuff, and then you go crazy with adding stuff like mods and that lot, and then like you like get to it and you're like, oh, it's not loading because I've put too much on, which is really irritating. Why didn't I need a bracket? Oh, I did need a bracket. Just dot capacity. What we've got? Add cast to boolean. It is. That is a boolean. Oh, I need another bracket there. There we go. And it's not mouse Y. It is actually height minus get energy bar height. There we go. That is beautiful. Okay, action performed, public void action performed, Minecraft MC. This dot play press sound MC dot get sound handler, energy unit 2b equals Ooh, I need to add that. Okay, what are you humming and loco? I need to add the convert cycle unit, that's it. Oh, it might not let you post links. If you want to post a link to the API, put it on the Discord, because then I'll look at it later. What is this mod, and can you please explain? I am new to modding. This mod is a bunch of code which will make it so that your mod should work with other technology mods as well. So hopefully that will be a thing once it's finished. Energy unit. Okay, I need a cycle unit. Or in here, it needs a cycle unit. Here it is. Public energy unit. Cycle unit. Okay. Let's go. So, what's it? It's Keiki. What do you want? Have I had a message? Is that what it is? Have I had a message? I don't know if I've had a message. Cycle unit. Okay, let's go. A2 uses AE, but AE is another word for RF. Yes, I believe. Because I know you've got IF, which is immersive engineering, but that's based on COFH. You've got RS for refined storage, which is also COFH. And AE2, I believe, is also COFH as well. So just adding the COFH support should help us with that. Cycle energy unit. X5I, yeah, that's right. Cycle energy unit. So energy, can I access energy units here? Okay, so return. Okay. If energy unit dot index of this is greater than energy unit dot size -1, then return energy unit dot get the first one, because that's actually the second one, because the first one is actually set up here to be energy base. So energy base is the one we convert into. I'll go through how to convert in a second. Otherwise, we're going to return energy units dot energy units dot get energy units dot index of this. Hold on. This needs to add 1. The other one needs to take 1. Dot add 1. There we go. And that should cycle the unit. So 2b equals cj core config dot default energy unit dot cycle unit. There we go. And then we got to convert the energy. So this dot energy, not enabled. This dot energy equals energy utils dot convert energy from, and that's it's from cj core config, the default energy unit, to the 2b, and the energy is just energy. And that's the same for the capacity as well. Capacity should also be converted, and we then need to update the config. So cj core config dot default energy unit equals 2b, and then core config dot sync from fields. There we go. Hello, Kylo. Oh, that's an amazing name. I love it. That should cycle that. So let's go over to energy utils. I'll show you what the convert energy is. So it's quite simple. So if I go over to, I'll bring it over here, energy units. So if you look at the energy units down here, we have, for the energy base, it's a unit of a multiplier of 1. So to convert from energy base to energy base, you just times it by 1. That makes sense. For redstone flux, 10 energy base is 10 redstone flux is 1 energy base. Knock knock, fire. So yeah, I think that's what it is. I do understand this. It's just that I'm getting my words mixed up. Accept me on Discord. Have I had a direct message? I can't look. Yeah, I'll look when I get on. What features will this have? For now, it's just going to have energy support on its first release, but from then on, it's hopefully going to add some other utility methods. I mean, at the moment, I have actually got a generic tile entity, which has tile entity saving methods on, which is great. That's for you, Mcrafters. CJ, your chat is very late. Yes, there's a 20-second delay, I believe. So, redstone flux, that's 10 redstone flux for 1 energy base. So, when we convert, you're supposed to say who's there. Oh, sorry. Who's there? Fire. So, convert energy. So, we get the energy, and we need to get it into energy base form. So, we divide it by the multiplier. So, multiplier, that's what I meant. So, let's say we have 100 RF. We're converting from RF to, say, joules. We have 100 RF. 100 RF. If you do 100 divided by 10, we get it in energy base. Once we've got it in energy base, then we need to convert it to the joules. So we just times it by 4, which is 40. So 100 RF is actually 40 joules. That is actually the correct conversion rate. Oh, I thought it said oh. Okay, owl who? Sorry. Sorry, fire. I'm not very good at these jokes. So the cool thing about the API is hopefully you should be able to actually create your own energy unit if you really want to. I mean, like, I would say don't. There's no point. But say you're adding your own support for an energy mod or energy API, which I haven't, then you can actually add the support. Everything's there. I'll kill you. Please don't. Okay, posted API and public server. Yeah. Oh. Buildcraft API. Here we go. Let's go. Buildcraft API. Okay. Welcome to Buildcraft. Contributing, compiling and packaging Buildcraft dependencies. That's what I want. It's Ivy. Okay, that's fine. If you just depend on, if you want to just depend on the API, just do this. If you want to depend on whole Buildcraft, do this. Okay, that makes sense. Is that the 1.10 version? Yeah, I think it is. Thank you for that. I will go check that out and see if I can. Oh, wrong one. See if I can get the support done for that. Thanks, Unloco. Yeah, that should be done. So now we need to get back to the energy bar. Finish off what we're doing. So all it is we need an update method to update the values inside of our energy bar. So it's just a public void update energy bar energy handler. Oh look, icon API create. Yeah. So no, it's not that. Long energy, long capacity. So I can speak to you because I had to reactivate my account. Okay. It's cakey. Hopefully, when the API is finished, you should be able to create pipes peasy. I mean, I actually know how to make pipes peasy. To be honest, I just need to shove it in there, add it to the API, and I'll probably do maybe a mini series explaining how to use the API. Maybe, and On your stream, there is a moderator option, is there? I love your streams. Thank you. Update energy bar. Jeez, my throat's going dry. That should just update the value. So this energy. We're gonna have to like comment this out now. This dot capacity equals capacity. Okay, so that should update it. That's correct. It will be updated every time you render, or you're supposed to. So let's go comment out this class. Not like that. We don't need you open it anymore. Let's go. So quickly get rid of that before anyone notices. Only joking. Here we go. Draw a simple energy bar which represents the energy inside of a tile entity. Link to the tile entity. Like so. The default texture of the... When will stream finish? I don't know yet. The default texture of the energy bar. Store the energy and capacity in the energy bar used for rendering. Yeah, lots of people should be new to my streams because the last one was, like I said, over a year ago and for half an hour. So, yeah. Initialize. Do I put it with an S or a Z? Because I'm British, it should be an S. Let's do American. Screw that. Okay, so initialize the energy bar. If I don't stop, I'm going to get a dry throat. Initialize the energy bar for... just initialize the ID of the button. The X position. Can I not? Okay. The X position. I can't spell position apparently. Position of the energy bar. The Y position of the energy bar. The amount of energy in the energy bar can be 0. The maximum amount of energy in the energy bar can be 0. Are you possibly searching for stream moderators? Might be. I don't really know much about 25 minutes to season 5 of Hermitcraft. Okay, I am actually looking forward to that. Oh yeah. Wow. Okay. Initial. Oh, wrong one. Initial. Well, this should just be the same, surely. Like so. The texture for the energy bar. People think Mumbo's better. To be fair, I do not watch Iscal, but I do like Mumbo. The width of the energy bar in the texture. To be honest, I watch Exuma, Suma, I don't know how you say it, Exuma, whatever. I watch him and Mumbo Jumbo because he's amazing. I don't know who else I watch. I mean, I'm subscribed to most of the other ones, but I don't watch them all. CJ equals Carl Johnson. Wow. It doesn't. It doesn't. Yeah, much chat is 25 seconds off. It's been like that for ages. Action perform. Use this in the GUI. Is it just GUI screen? Hashtag action. No, is it GUI container? Action. No, it is in the action perform though. Action performed. What does CJ stand for? It is sort of my name / not my name. Can you tell my voice is going? Use this in the action performed to be able to cycle the energy unit when you click the energy bar. Minecraft instance of Minecraft used for the press sound. Have you seen Mumbo's Farms? Damn, your voice cracks. Thank you. Everybody's got to love voice cracks. Happens to most people, I think. Update the values inside of the energy bar. Should update every time the game is rendered. The energy. What is my name? Well, my first name's not hard. If you watch me make mistakes or when I come into class, you should see my name. I'm not going to tell you the other one though. Rendogs. Oh yeah, Sky Factory 3. You gotta love a bit of Sky Factory 3. The energy in the tar entity. Hey, someone knows my name. Great, thanks, Dogtron. It's okay, I don't mind. The maximum amount of energy in the... That should actually just be energy bar. Energy bar. Control find. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Control find energy bar and put at link energy bar. Replace all. Beautiful. That's energy unit. In maximum amount of energy in the energy bar. Calculate the height of the J is your middle name, and what I think it is then you're the same as my little brother. Okay. Dogotron, do you just like stalk me or something? Can you do a structure tutorial? Yes, I hopefully will do a structure tutorial. And then use MCA edit to export. Yes, I do. I really want to do a structure tutorial. And I want to learn how you can use the new, what do you call it? The structure blocks, that's it. I really want to know how to use them with Forge. And yeah, I need to look into it. You could create structure in-game and say, yeah, structure blocks, yeah. Calculates the height of the energy bar from the hashtag capacity, hashtag energy. And return the height of the energy bar. Okay. Finally. That's the energy bar, but we won't be able to see it unless we do a test. I don't actually think we need our network set up yet. Implement it in the API. We could do that. Possibly. We need to actually now check this actually works. So, let's go make an item. I know what I'm going to do. Items I'm going to make a sexy looking item multimeter. So if you know what a multimeter does in real life, you should know what this is going to do based on knowledge. Input item, and obviously I'm going to do exactly what I do every single time I actually create an item. And this dot set unlocalized name. This dot set registry name, new resource location. What are the ages here? Is he speaking to me or to everyone else? I don't know. Reference dot. Oh, it's not reference. What? See, I'm so used to putting reference now. It's actually quite irritating. Mod ID and then the unlocalized name. CJ, I'll send a reverse. Okay. There you go. PM me if you want. I won't be able to see it until after the stream's over. Okay, so that's the unlocalized name. That's the registry name. Knowledge of multimeters. Does anybody know what a multimeter is? Anybody got a clue what a multimeter is? Anyone? Look it up if you don't know what it is. You will see what a multimeter is. Okay. Let's register this. So I'll create an init package. There it is. Dot init, not init like that. Okay. So CJ core items. There you go. Yes. Teenage talents there. Brilliant. Public static void init. Public static void register. Public static void register item. GameReg dot register item. Control Shift O. Public static void register render. I need to put the item in here. Model loader dot set custom model resource location item metadata 0. New model resource location new resource location reference. No, it's not reference, is it? CJ core dot mod ID. Yes, someone finally worked out what a multimeter does. Item.get unlocalized name. It's cakey. I'll check Discord as soon as stream's over because it won't show me anything because it's in streamers mode. Sorry about that. Inventory. Wow. Brilliant. Okay, let's go. Public static item. Multimeter. So I'll explain what a multimeter is now, in case you didn't get it earlier. Multimeter is basically something that shows like amps, voltage, basically how much energy is inside something. And that's basically what ours is going to do. So I'll show it you in the game because I'm actually well proud of the texture. Oh, it's cake and knew what a multimeter was. Yeah. Well done you then. I'm proud of you. Register item multimeter. Public static void renders. So multimeter just shows how much energy is inside something. So simple stuff there. Proxy, client proxy. It's in pre-init, so CJ core items dot register renders. Here we go. CJ core items dot init. I know too. I'm confused. CJ core items dot register. Okay, that's our item registered and sorted. Yeah. I need to actually do a render overlay. Okay. Let's take a look on GitHub. Yes, well done. It's key. Yeah, mine had a brain fart. Let's go. This is going to be so awkward to do. Let's just go. No. Where is it? Okay, here we go. Let's go on to. I'll bring this to the side so I can see the chat because I need to see the chat. Let's go to there. Okay, it is github.com/ here it is. That's exactly what I wanted. Minecraft by example. So this is a really awesome GitHub where you can find some amazing code. Oh jeez. Where HUD overlay, that's it. Okay, let's go. Item HUD activator. Well, it's not going to be like that. Basically, what's going to happen? Yeah, chat is dead. It's Keiki. How many people are watching? 10. Yay. We're going an hour and 36. And I think my ass is dead. Status bar. Modding on 1.9 is harder than 1.10.10. I don't understand that. I never bothered attempting 1.10.10 because it seemed a pain in the ass to do. Okay, we need a renderer. Okay, renderer. Spacebar renderer. Well, technically, we've already got a renderer. We should make a renderer. Though, is what we need to do. Let's drag this out now. So I'm going to put all the stuff to do with the multimeter inside here. So public stat. Actually, I'll put that in GY because that is related to GY. Energy multimeter energy bar. Multimeter energy bar. It was really easy to do in 1.7. Yeah, I guess some stuff was easier to do in 1.7.10, mainly because 1.7.10 didn't have the block state stuff. What time is it for me? It is 10 to 3. Let's have this one. So we're just going to leave it like that. Actually, we want both of them. No, we only need. No, we're going to have both. I'm going to put energy bar overlay, Shift Alt R, energy bar overlay. Go. It's 12 PM. That's like midday, isn't it? Jeez Louise, my throat's dead. Wow. This one. Oh, Dogatron's gone 250. What's wrong with 250? Change to constructor. It's 7 PM for one guy. Super neat. Oh crap, that's not what I wanted. Midnight. Wow. Super. That one. Super. That one. Get ready with YouTube subscription box. Oh, jeez. Yeah, 10 minutes. Are people getting hyped now? I need to actually watch it, that's the problem. Okay. The overlay. The overlay should... What did it say? We need to translate it. Okay. Let's override the draw button, that's it. So we need to make sure we call the super, because the super is here. How can I fix my Eclipse? You have some packages in the package. How can I fix? Just go to the view menu, go to package presentation, put it at hierarchical, I believe is how you do it. Draw button. We need to actually GL state manager it, or whatever. Need to like set the rendering color. Well, he's used that one. You could do that. What did I want to do? Screen width, screen height. Okay. I can't have that. I'm just thinking about what I'm supposed to do. I'll just leave it for now. I know one thing I need to do. GL state manager dot blend func. Is it blend func? GL11.gl and source 1 minus source alpha. I know that. I don't think it's blend func though. I think it might just be GL blend. He's scaling it on here. You scale it on here. How is he doing it? Scaling it, matrixing. Jeez, why does OpenGL have to be so annoyingly complicated? I think I know what it is though. It's in the button, GUI button. It's 1 minus source alpha, isn't it? GL tribund separate. Okay. GL blend func. Okay. That's it. That's what I wanted. 1 minus source alpha. Mumbo is best. I think Mumbo's pretty good. I can't really comment though, because I like him and all, but like I don't watch him all the time because life. Oh, that looks so much nicer now. Did I not Control Shift F and hit? Oh yeah, there we go. We're on 13 viewers. Oh yeah. Okay, so that should mean that transparency won't be an issue. That's the only reason I got that here. Where is it? Okay. That will render it correctly. Great. Beautiful. HUD activator. It's an event handler though. Yeah. Exuma was the only one. Is Exuma in charge of Hermitcraft? Because I think he is. I feel like he is. I feel like he's in charge of it. I really like Exuma though, because I actually spent a whole entire summer holiday. Watching the whole of Exuma's, and that was on season 3. He was on at the time. I watched literally all of the seasons. We need the renderer. So public static class, multimeter, overlay. And it's cakey. I think I'll just watch it later. Generic B, yeah, generic B in left. But Biffa doesn't play yet. Does Biffa plays modded though, doesn't he? Private energy bar overlay. Oops, I made a mistake. Energy bar. Yeah, it was generic B who started it though. What are you talking about? What season 1? Season 1 of Hermitcraft. Energy bar. It's really hard to think, talk, and write at the same time. I should really not do it. Oh well. And energy. I can't spell. Energy bar overlay. This dot energy bar equals energy bar. Sorry, it's cakey. As soon as I finish this stream, I'll finish. I want to try and at least get a little bit more done. Okay, let's go. Continue. On event, okay. On event, render, is it render overlay? What is it? Render game overlay. Render game overlay. Event.pre. Event. What do you want? It's cakey. I'll try and help you if I can. I bet it will be the same seed for first episode. Original skins. Yeah. Okay. So at subscribe event. Okay, subscribe event. Receive cancelled equals true. 2 minutes. Yes, it is 2 minutes to the release. Yay. Entity player SP. Entity player. It's cake. Have you looked on the forums? Try a post on the forums, because literally there's that many amazing people on the forums. I'll see what I can do as well once I finish the stream. If that's okay. I want player. Where's the player? Is it the Minecraft? Okay, Minecraft.player, because it's client side. I forgot about that. Get Minecraft. It's just player, isn't it? 1 minute. Oh jeez, spamming refresh on YouTube. Okay. Nothing seems to work. Have you tried updating your Forge? Yeah, it's cakey. If player is not return. And I think, guys, because of that starting Hermitcraft, I'm going to end this stream here. Thank you for watching. Ta-ra.